0.
Hi, Dave. Fancy going out to the cinema later?
I'd love to, Kerry, but I'm afraid I can't. I'm going away for the weekend.
Lucky you. Where are you going?
I'm going to visit my grandparents, my dad's family. They live up in the mountains.
Have you checked the weather forecast? I hear there's a lot of snow on the way.
Yes, so they say. I was planning to go up tomorrow, Saturday, but I think I'll travel up today and stay an extra night. Then I'll come back on Sunday, all going well.
Have a safe journey.
Thanks.
1.
I better go and do my homework now.
Have you got a lot to do tonight?
Quite a lot. I have a couple of big projects to finish for Friday. I have a physics project and a geography project.
You've done a lot of work on your geography project already, haven't you?
Yes, I have. I did a lot at the weekend. It's so much easier to work on something that you enjoy.
Don't you enjoy doing science as well?
Not so much. Biology's okay, but physics is really hard, and that's why I don't enjoy it so much.
2.
Are you feeling better now, Thomas?
Unfortunately, Carrie, I'm ill again.
You poor thing. What's wrong? Have you caught another cold? You haven't got a stomachache, have you?
No, that's not the problem. I have had really bad headaches the past few days. The doctor gave me some tablets, but they don't really help. The only thing I can do is stay in bed and sleep.
So you won't be going to school then?
Not today. Hopefully I'll be feeling better tomorrow.
Yes, get well soon.
3.
Welcome back, Anthony. Does it feel good to be home again?
You know, it's great to be away on holiday, but it feels so good to be back home again. 2 weeks is a long time to spend sightseeing.
Didn't you get a chance to relax?
Mum and Dad had a busy program planned, unfortunately. We didn't even spend much time shopping this holiday. But I do have a little present for you.
Oh, that's sweet of you. And it's just what I needed. My old one broke down last week, and I never know what time it is these days.
I'm glad you like it. Just think, I nearly bought you a t-shirt instead.
4.
It still isn't too late to enter the fun run this Saturday. Anyone can enter. All you need is a good pair of sports shoes and some comfortable clothing. While I say run, you don't have to run the whole 10 kilometers if you don't want to. You can walk, cycle, or even skateboard if you prefer. The registration fee is £5. All money raised is for cancer research, so please take the time to participate. Please arrive at least 10 minutes before the starting time at 1:50 p.m.
5.
I like your new school bag, Andrew.
It's nice, isn't it? Not as big as my last one. I used to get a sore back carrying it around everywhere.
I remember. I used to laugh at you. You used to carry your PE kit around with you all the time, and you not only had room for your sandwiches, you used to carry my packed lunch as well.
No more. Now I have just enough space for my books and the things I really need.
I hope you haven't forgotten to bring back my MP3 player.
Oh, sorry, Michelle.
6.
You're looking good, John. Have you been working out at the gym?
I'm afraid I don't have much time for going to the gym these days. Got too much studying to do. But I do enjoy playing basketball.
Do you play in the school team?
Yes, I do. We practice at lunchtimes and play games most Saturdays. I wish I had time to play in the football team as well, but it just isn't possible.
You can't do everything.
I know.
7.
You look happy today.
Well, it is Friday. Don't you just love Fridays?
Yes, I do. I love hanging out with my friends at the mall and being able to stay out late.
Well, I won't be joining you tonight. I'm going camping with my friend Joanna and her family. I'm taking the train straight after school.
Have a nice time.